got it.
Ty, who broke that door?
Me?
Why did you do that?
This way.
What?
This way.
You slipped?
Yeah.
And what?
This slip door.
You slipped on the door?
Yeah.
And what happened?
This is that.
You fell like that?
Yeah. Wow.
Hey.
Who's that? What's this?
Oh, man.
Who's that? Who's that?
You did that?
Yeah.
Just like that?
Yes. That's it.
It wasn't safe?
That's it. That's that.
You slipped? Hey!
Who's that?
Don't do that.
Who's that?
You did that?
Yeah.
Don't do it again.
Eagle again. Eagle again.
You're going to be Eagle Claw again? Ty, how old are you?
2.
You're 2?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what's your name?
T-Y.
That's how you spell it. What's your name? Ty. Ty what? Your name's Eagle Claw. Hey, leave my door alone. Oh, Harper.